Sponsorships are up 54% year-over-year on YouTube. We're officially launching a tool to track them all. The database that powers our creator economy insights is going wide. Gospel Stats, an intelligence platform from the team behind TubeFilter and the Streamy Awards, has issued its inaugural YouTube sponsorship landscape report. Readers of our TubeFilter columns, including our weekly brand reports and our top 50 rankings, may recognize Gospel as the source of the data that underpins those updates. Now, we're sharing those findings with the rest of the creator economy. Through the YouTube Sponsorship Landscape Report, Gospel found that 65,759 sponsored videos were uploaded to YouTube during the first half of 2025. That sum represents a year-over-year uptick of nearly 54%. Viewership across those videos is on the rise, too. That number rose about 28% year-over-year to reach 19.1 billion. YouTube's middle class, in which creators average between 100,000 and 500,000 views per video, is fueling much of that growth. By tracking sponsorships across tens of millions of YouTube channels, Gospel Stats uncovers useful details that don't show up in other sources. Gospel founder Joshua Cohen, who is also a TubeFilter and Streamy Awards co-founder, noted in a statement that YouTube sponsorship traffic isn't even counted in Google's official ad revenue. Cohen demonstrated Gospel's utility in 2023, when he used the platform to uncover a rash of YouTube sponsorships launched by the law firm Morgan & Morgan. That data formed the basis of a presentation Cohen delivered at that year's VidCon event in Anaheim. We thought when we first started out that creators are going to be the future of entertainment. We didn't realize it would also be the future of marketing, media, advertising, and more, Cohen told Axios. We've been around for 17 years now, kind of waiting for this moment in time when creator culture was becoming just culture. That time is now, and platforms like Gospel will have important roles to play in the next phase of the creator economy. Marketers are demanding more efficacy from creator campaigns and are calling for the development of tools that can help measure the results of their influencer-related spend. Within that ecosystem, Gospel has the potential to be a godsend. The findings in the first YouTube sponsorship landscape report offer a good example of what Gospel is capable of, and you can read the results of that research by clicking right here.